What's going on, pranksters? Welcome back to another gaming setup. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how I put together a very small gaming setup that won't take up a lot of room in your house, but you'll still get an epic and comfortable gaming experience. So before we get started, make sure you like and comment on this video, because if this video gets 100 likes, I will give away a brand new strip of RGB lights to someone from the comments. Good luck, pranksters. Now let's get this video going. Alright, well, let's begin with the spot where this mini setup will take place. I chose this corner because it's one of the very few spots in my house that hasn't already been taken over by a gaming setup. Some months ago, I removed the coffee table from my old loft and I turned it into my dream movie room. Luckily, I didn't throw away that old coffee table. You see, guys, if you have something like this in your house, you can totally build a whole gaming setup with it. Sure, it's old, but it still holds up. Because the tabletop had scratches on it, I wanted to make it look better. I brought out a giant mouse pad. Now, this mouse pad was free. It was included in a Carnox gaming chair that I recently unboxed. It's black and yellow, which should add some color to the table. It's centered and it looks great on it. Pretty much any game system can fit on this table, but to contrast all the darkness, color-wise, I decided to go with the Xbox One S. This one I will leave on the corner, where it will not only look good, but also stay out of the way when I'm gaming. Check out this cool lamp that I got at Amazon for 12 bucks. I bought this specifically for my new smart light bulb. Let me introduce you guys to the Yeelight Smart LED multicolor W3 bulb. And there it is, pranksters, wrapped in protective plastic. At first glance, it looks oddly shaped, but to me that's what makes it stand out more. Its top is more flat than round. It's all white with Yeelight branding. So I went ahead and screwed on the bulb onto the lamp. And at first, the bulb will only provide you with bright white light, but once fully set up, you'll see why this is a smart bulb. Overall, I love that this smart bulb saves energy and money, but I mainly love it because it's ideal for gamers and you'll get an awesome immersive gaming experience and will make your gaming setup stand out a lot. I'll be integrating my lamp and smart bulb towards the end of this setup. As far as the monitor, I'm gonna unbox it for you guys right now. Check it out, pranksters. Let me introduce you guys to the Innoview 15.6 inch 1080p Full HD portable monitor. Inside this wrapper is where we have the monitor. Alright then, let's take out the monitor from inside the wrapper. Check out this beauty, guys. I really love the screen, especially because my face doesn't reflect on it. Yeah, I'm kidding about that, but I really do like that. And we gotta appreciate the frame being so thin. Pretty much the whole body of the monitor is thin on all angles. The bottom has rubber feet for extra grip. No matter what surface you place this on, it will remain still. Also on the bottom is where we find the speakers for this monitor. The stand for this monitor rotates out, and in the process it reveals all the buttons and inputs. That stand is very flexible and rotates at a full 180 degrees, so you can adjust it however you wish for your best viewing angles. Now that we know this monitor, let's put it to use. So let's place it on top of the desk next to the Xbox One S. To power everything up, I had to get a power extension along with a very fast USB power block. I made the right connections to hook up the Innoview Portable Monitor to the Xbox One S and made sure that both were plugged in for power. Here I have the new Space Jam video game, so let's just appreciate the epic graphics and overall viewing experience that the Innoview 15-inch portable monitor gives us. Again, guys, this is not just for gaming, but it can also be used as a second monitor. I had this black convertible flip chair that I wanted to use. It does turn into a small bed, but for this setup, I'll leave it as a chair. A gaming poster will go on the wall to make it look better. Overall, it's just great decoration. My favorite drink holder clamp will also be used. I like this one because I can also hang my headset from it. Of course, I can't game without snacks. Here we have a Pepsi, I have a bag of gummies. Also, here's a bag of Hot Cheetos Extra. My lamp with the Yeelight Smart Bulb will take its place on the back corner of the setup. Here is how everything looks when the lights are off, except for the ones on the table. It's exactly how a small gaming setup should look like. And yeah, maybe this gaming setup might look small and cheap, but it's actually quite comfy and pretty much has everything that I need to game. For me, as long as I can play Warzone on any platform, I'll be happy. Alright, let's just appreciate the beauty of this epic mini setup. Thanks for stopping by, pranksters. I'll see you guys in my next video.